welcome back to For Love of the Mouse. We are in Corfu, Greece. So like any port day, we made our way off the ship down the gangway to the parking lot where we caught a couple taxis, and the 12 of us made our way to the marina where we were meeting our 2 yachts. Here we are on the yacht making our way out. We had one for the ladies, one for the guys. It was such a fun time. Up there on the mast right there you can see it is balosyachts.com out of Corfu, Greece. Such a good time. Ended up being about $75 per person or $150 per couple. There's the girls' yacht back there. Oh, they're catching up to us. They're making their way up. I cannot distress to you enough, though, how beautiful this was. Look at that water, the blue in that water, the mountains around us. It was so beautiful. I mean, Corfu is just, in general, a beautiful place. He even let Tyler drive the boat. Like, here's Tyler running the boat. But we made it. There's our cruise ship right there. There's the MSC ship. But right there in the back, that's the Epic. That is our ship with that flat back end right there. And there is the fort of Corfu. It's been there for centuries. I mean, there was so many things that had been there for centuries all around us as we're just sailing around on this yacht. The greenery, as you can see here. And again, that blue water. I'm in Colorado, guys. Like, the water that you see when you travel the world is like awesome. Like, we don't have that here. Of course, then we made our way to our cove. Adam and Tyler here, they had to dive right in as soon as we got there. Make sure you check out Tyler's awesome dive right here. Perfect form, perfect form. And here's Crystal kicking around in the cove, having fun. We all just jumped in. We were swimming around, having a great time. I cannot tell you how much fun this was. And again, it was $75 per person, $150 a couple. And that got us about 4.5 hours on the water. I mean, we just had a blast. Tyler's doing flips. I mean, it was just so much fun. Again, I cannot tell you how much fun it was. Crystal had to join in and start jumping off. And that included our lunch here. We had turkey sandwiches, these amazing potato chips. I think they were dill pickle. They were so good. They had all the cool gear that you wanted. They had your snorkeling gear. They had water toys as far as floating devices and stuff like that. Noodles. Made it just that much more fun of an experience. I mean, just look at that water. It's so clear. Then after that, we made our way back around Corfu. Made our way back to the marina where we got our taxi. And just know that there are taxis outside the marina waiting, but there's not a lot of them. There are Ubers available, and there is a bus system in Corfu that does drop off at the pier. But just make sure you have a way back to the ship, obviously, but this is done in plenty of time to get back. Now, before we get back to the ship, let's enjoy one more time the sheer joy I am having by jumping in the water. I never do anything like this, so that's how you know I'm having fun. I got right out of my comfort zone, jumped right off the boat. So we have made it back from our awesome time on the boat in Corfu. It was just so much fun swimming out there. It was beautiful, so fun. Really came back, showered, rested, and now we are gonna go meet our friends, have some drinks, and we have dinner tonight at Teppanyaki, which is the hibachi restaurant. I love a good hibachi restaurant. So let's go. So we made our way into Teppanyaki for our reservation. This is a specialty dining restaurant. We did use one of our 2 free at sea specialty dining credits that were given to us. And we actually got this reservation the day before for 6 of us. So don't be worried if you didn't get a reservation. Just go to the host stand at some point and they'll probably be able to fit you in, no problem. Here we have the menu. We got some signature cocktails. Everybody at Hibachi gets miso soup and salad. You pick out your protein. You get your choice of desserts right here. And of course, everybody went with the wasabi cocktail you see right here. Doesn't actually have wasabi. I went with an old fashioned, but the girls all love this drink. Now here's the seaweed salad. It's just a basic salad. Everybody gets it if you want it. But also the best part of hibachi is singing, jokes, and banter. Hey, baby. Ooh, I wanna know if you be my girl. Every band you break, every step you take, everybody's watching me. So you guys know that rice was flown in from Maine, the main dining room. Oh, Caitlin and Tyler brought it from Maine. They brought our rice. Yeah. Look at all that garlic.
That's my brother from different mother. I know you're hungry. I know you want me. Okay, I'm gonna break your heart.
Don't go breaking my heart.
You'll love me again. Alright, please, sir.
Just a mountain of shrimp. We might have a bigger pile of shrimp than we did rice.
Alright.
There you have my final entree with my shrimp and my steak. And just so you know, as this meal is cooked, he's putting stuff on your plate. Feel free to eat as you go, no problem. Enjoy your delicious meal. All right, here we are for another edition of Bryson on the Couch. Ending our day here in Corfu. I don't think I showed exactly what I wanted to. I don't know, hopefully I did. But that sailing yacht that we rented, it was so awesome. Both the sailing yachts. I mean, it was so fun. The water was so blue. With the pool situation I've talked about on this ship, it was nice to get in some water and just enjoy myself. All of ourselves. It was awesome. So much fun. Theme of the trip. Fun with friends, doing things that we've never done before in places we've never been to. So great. And hibachi, oh my gosh. The teppanyaki. That was, Crystal and I both said that was one of the best hibachis we have ever been to. And that's the first one we've ever been on a cruise ship. But they were amazing. Food was good. So much food. I have actually never been to hibachi where they made extra rice, extra shrimp, and he gave us all extra steak too. Like, I've never been there where they've done that. That was amazing. So if the place you go to does that, good for you. I've never been there. So guys, it's another night. We really don't want to go watch the show. The shows just aren't exciting here. And I think we saw the show that's tonight in the main dining room. So if they're going to show me the show in the main dining room, I don't need to go to the theater. So we're going to go to bed because we are exhausted from all the sun today. Tomorrow we have another early day. We're in Montenegro. I hardly even know how to say that, let alone been there. So let's go there tomorrow. Anyway, thank you all so much for coming with us to Corfu today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully I showed enough of the fun in the water. Maybe not, I'm not sure. Anyway, tired of rambling here. If you haven't done so already, click that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring that bell icon so you're notified whenever we release new videos. But most importantly, thank you all so much for stopping by. And for the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse. We only